How entrepreneurs can use AI to make more money. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has grown from a futuristic concept into a practical and essential tool for businesses of all sizes. For entrepreneurs, it offers unparalleled opportunities to grow revenue, streamline operations, and gain a competitive edge in an ever-evolving marketplace. This video explores how you, as an entrepreneur or team leader, can leverage AI to innovate, optimize your strategies, and ultimately make more money. Let's break down the key concepts, practical applications, and actionable steps to help you embrace AI with confidence. First, let's start with the foundation. What is AI? Simply put, artificial intelligence refers to technology that mimics human intelligence to perform tasks like problem-solving, decision-making, or even generating new ideas. AI systems learn from data and can adapt over time, making them highly efficient and scalable tools for businesses. In the past, AI was seen as a luxury reserved for tech giants like Google or Amazon. However, thanks to advancements in machine learning and cloud-based tools, AI has become more accessible and affordable. Entrepreneurs of small startups or mid-sized businesses can now harness its power without needing advanced technical expertise. This video isn't about deep technical knowledge of AI. It's about how you can put these tools to work for you to fuel growth. AI is no longer futuristic. It is here, and more importantly, it is designed to help businesses like yours thrive. Now, why should entrepreneurs care about AI? The answer lies in its ability to create significant advantages in three ways: efficiency, cost savings, and competitive edge. Entrepreneurs often need to wear multiple hats, managing operations, marketing, customer service, and more. AI helps lighten this load. By automating repetitive tasks, AI saves both time and effort, allowing you to focus on more strategic, high-value activities. In addition to efficiency, AI-powered technologies are designed to cut costs. For instance, using a chatbot can reduce the need for constant human customer support, while predictive analytics can help minimize waste by forecasting market trends accurately. Lastly, adopting AI gives entrepreneurs a competitive edge. Those who embrace it early are often able to outpace their competitors in innovation and customer satisfaction. In short, AI isn't just a tool, it's a strategy for long-term profitability. Let's dive into specific, real-world ways entrepreneurs are using AI to drive revenue. One of the most accessible avenues for AI adoption is in customer interaction. AI chatbots, such as those powered by platforms like ChatGPT or Salesforce, enable businesses to provide 24/7 responses to customer inquiries. These chatbots are cost-effective, capable of handling routine questions, and can free up your team to focus on more complex customer needs. But chatbots go beyond simple responses. They can offer personalized recommendations based on customer behavior, fostering loyalty and increasing sales. Imagine a chatbot suggesting complimentary products while a customer is shopping. This leads to higher average order values and increased conversion rates. Marketing is another area where AI truly shines. Tools like HubSpot or Hootsuite now have AI features to help entrepreneurs create, schedule, and analyze social media content automatically. AI tools track what type of content performs well, when your audience is most active, and how to target new customers. For example, AI can generate tailored advertising campaigns that predict what kind of messaging and visuals will resonate with your target audience. This precision minimizes wasted ad spend and maximizes your return on investment. Successful entrepreneurs are those who make informed decisions, and AI tools can help you do just that with confidence. Predictive analytics tools like Google Analytics 4 or IBM's Watson Analytics sift through large datasets for patterns and trends. These insights allow you to anticipate customer needs, align your offerings, and identify markets where demand is growing. For instance, if AI detects seasonal surges for certain products, you can adjust your inventory and pricing strategy. This proactive approach reduces inventory waste while improving profitability. AI-powered customer relationship management (CRM) tools, such as Salesforce or Zoho CRM, enhance your ability to connect with customers on a deeper level. These tools analyze customer interactions and generate leads most likely to convert into sales. Imagine receiving actionable recommendations on which customer to follow up with, or suggestions for customized deals to close the sale faster. AI also automates follow-up emails and notifications, meaning nothing slips through the cracks in your funnel. Finally, AI plays a critical role in streamlining supply chains and improving product development. By analyzing historical sales data, AI can predict demand for specific products or services, allowing you to properly allocate resources and manage inventory. AI also helps detect inefficiencies in the supply chain. For example, by analyzing shipping patterns or vendor performance, AI can recommend ways to reduce costs and meet deadlines consistently, a crucial advantage for new businesses balancing time and resources. Before moving forward, let's address some common myths about AI. Myth 1: AI will replace all human jobs. Reality: while AI does replace repetitive and manual tasks, it thrives when combined with human creativity, decision-making, and judgment. In many cases, AI supports teams by automating dull tasks, freeing up time for innovative and strategic work. Myth 2: AI is too complicated and expensive. Reality: today, many AI tools offer user-friendly interfaces and affordable subscription plans. You don't need to be an engineer or have a massive budget to start. Understanding these myths is key to embracing AI without unnecessary hesitation. Starting with AI may sound daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Follow these steps to integrate AI effectively into your business. Assess your business needs. Identify areas where automation or data-driven insights could help most. For example, do you need help with customer service, inventory management, or marketing? Choose AI tools that fit. Select software that matches your industry and goals. Tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, or Jasper AI are great for beginners. Test in small increments. Start with one area of your business, measure the impact, and gradually expand. Train your team. Ensure your team understands how to use and benefit from AI tools. Without buy-in from your team, adoption can be challenging. To adopt AI successfully, keep these best practices in mind. Start small. AI adoption doesn't have to be overwhelming. Focus on solving one problem at a time. Measure progress. Use metrics to track how AI improves efficiency or profitability in different areas of your business. Stay updated. AI is constantly evolving. Being aware of new advancements ensures you stay ahead of competitors. Maintain human oversight. Use AI as an assistant, not a complete replacement for human judgment. Human intervention ensures accuracy, creativity, and empathy remain part of your business processes. To better understand how entrepreneurs benefit from AI, let's examine a few examples. A small e-commerce brand used AI-powered chatbots to simplify customer inquiries. This led to a 30% increase in sales within 6 months because customers could easily find the products they needed. A local restaurant implemented AI analytics to predict busy hours and optimize staffing. They reduced labor costs by 15% while maintaining high customer satisfaction. A digital marketing agency used AI-driven tools to automate campaign reports. This saved hours of manual effort each week, allowing them to focus on creative strategies for their clients. These success stories showcase how entrepreneurs across industries can unlock significant value with AI. While AI is powerful, there are some common pitfalls to watch out for. Over-reliance on AI. Entrepreneurs sometimes assume AI can work perfectly without human input. Always monitor AI systems to ensure they generate meaningful results. Ignoring ethics and privacy concerns. Misusing AI to violate customer data privacy can harm your reputation. Prioritize transparency and comply with data protection regulations. Rushing implementation. Trying to do too much at once often leads to errors and confusion. Take a phased, strategic approach to adoption. AI is reshaping the way businesses operate, and savvy entrepreneurs are using it to innovate and grow. By understanding the basics, exploring practical use cases, and implementing AI step by step, you can unlock incredible potential for making more money. The future belongs to the tech-savvy entrepreneur. Those who embrace AI now will gain an unbeatable advantage in today's fast-paced world. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring AI tools today. Whether you're a startup founder or leading a growing team, there's an AI solution that fits your goals. With the right blend of innovation and action, you'll not only make more money, you'll set the stage for long-term success in a competitive marketplace. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.